everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Hotmart account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Make sure that you're logged into your Hotmart.com account. Type in www.hotmart.com in the web address field and then you'll end up on the official web page. Make sure that you're logged into your account like you normally do. Enter your Hotmart account's credentials, and once you're logged into your main home page, click on the profile icon at the top right. Now click the My Account button from the display and click on Access Password tab. Enter the current password you are using in the first text box and enter the new password you are trying to change to on the next field. After you are done typing in the new password, repeat it one more time on the next field just to make sure that you are typing in the correct password. And finally click on Save at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password successfully. Next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter the new password you changed to. That is how you can easily change your Hotmart account's password. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.